Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on OnlyFans in 2024 using the latest strategies that are working right now. Whether you're brand new to the platform or already are an experienced creator, these tips will help you grow your audience, maximize your earnings, and build a thriving OnlyFans presence. And trust me guys, these methods right here aren't just about putting content out there and hoping for the best. They're about using smart, proven strategies to attract subscribers and keep them engaged. If you're ready to start making serious money on OnlyFans this year, stick around because this video is packed with actionable advice you can start using today. All right, let's start with what's new on OnlyFans right now. As the platform grows, competition among creators is harder than ever, okay? So that means it's not enough to just post great content anymore, okay? It really isn't. You have to focus on building your brand, connecting with your audience, and standing out in a crowded space. One of the biggest trends that we're seeing right now is the shift towards creating an experience for your fans. It's not just about posting photos or videos. It's about offering personalized interactions, exclusive deals, and unique content that your fans cannot find anywhere else, okay? So I'll break all of this down for you guys step by step so you can start implementing these strategies right away. And I kind of want to go through a few different steps right here. I'm going to show you 5 different steps you can go through to really get the most amount of money possible out of your OnlyFans accounts, okay? So step 1 is simply to build a strong social media funnel. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, or what they call it now, X, are your best tools for driving traffic to your OnlyFans page, okay? But here's the thing, simply dropping your OnlyFans link in your bio is not going to cut it anymore, okay? You will have to create a system that guides your audience from casual interest to becoming paying subscribers, okay? So here's how you do it. Start by posting content that gives potential subscribers a sneak peek of what they can expect on your OnlyFans page. For example, post behind the scenes clips, funny outtakes, or short teaser videos that make them curious for more. Then use calls to action that are clear and enticing. Instead of just saying, check out my OnlyFans, try something like, want to see the exclusive side of me? Click the link in my bio for full access, okay? So it's also a good idea, to just mix content types, okay? So use stories, Instagram stories, use reels, and even live streams to engage your followers. The more interactive your content is, the more likely they're going to click through and subscribe. And that kind of brings us to step number 2, okay? So what you guys want to do is you don't just want to do all of this stuff that I just mentioned manually. So you don't just want to engage with people manually and post all this stuff manually because it's just too much work, okay? Especially if you're always creating content and stuff, all of these things can, get a little overwhelming and stuff. So what you guys want to do, you want to leverage automation tools, like for example, WolfGrowth.com. So this is actually a game changer because especially if you're using Instagram to promote your OnlyFans, WolfGrowth is a very powerful tool that helps you grow your Instagram account, engage with potential followers, and even send automatic DMs to new followers and stuff, okay? So here's an example of how this works, okay? So let's say you've been creating engaging content, engaging Instagram content and gaining new followers. Instead of manually reaching out to each new follower, you can set up WolfGrowth to automatically send them a message like, for instance, hey, thanks for following. I've got exclusive content that I think you'll love. Check it out on OnlyFans. And then you just tell them, you either put your link there, you tell them to check out the link in your bio, or even maybe if that's a little too risky, you just tell them to Google that, to Google your name, and then OnlyFans will show up. There's always workarounds and stuff like that. So this method works on autopilot. It's gonna save you a lot of time, and it's going to help you convert followers into paying subscribers very fast, okay? So, and the best part is it's consistent, okay? As long as you keep growing your Instagram account, WolfGrowth will keep turning new followers into fans. So step number 3 would be offer exclusive content and personalized experiences. So how does it work? You want to make your subscribers paying for something they can't get anywhere else. So here are a few ideas. What you guys can do is you can create custom content based on your subscribers' requests. So offer behind the scenes access to your daily life or creative process. You can also send personalized thank you messages to new subscribers, which is very engaging, okay? Another great strategy is bundling. So what is bundling? So for example, offer a discounted 3 or 6 month subscription package to lock in subscribers for a longer period. Step number 4, engage with your fans consistently. The creators who make the most money on OnlyFans, and let me guys tell you, that's 100% true, aren't just posting content. Okay, they're building relationships. At the end of the day, it's not really just about the content, because at the end of the day, you can always get that type of content pretty much anywhere else for free on the internet. So when it comes to OnlyFans, and a lot of people don't realize that, it is actually more about the relationship than it is about the content in itself, okay? So what you guys have to do is you will always have to respond to messages. You will have to like comments on social media, engage with the comments on social media, and even shout out your top fans here and there, okay? It's very essential that you guys do that, because engagement like this makes fans feel valued and it keeps them subscribed for the long term, okay? So plus, happy subscribers are way more likely to tip and even recommend you to others on other social media platforms like Reddit and stuff like that, okay? They're going to talk about you. They're going to be talking about you on subreddits and stuff like that. By the way, I will make a new video very soon about how you can use Reddit to get a bunch of traffic to your OnlyFans account. It's going to be insane. So stay tuned for that. Also make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads and stuff like that, okay? So that brings us to step number 5. Collaborate with other creators if possible, okay? Collaboration is one of the best ways to expand your audience. Partner with other OnlyFans creators in similar niches to cross-promote your accounts. You can create joint content, okay? For example, right? You can share each other's pages on social media too. Or even, run giveaways together. It's all possible, okay? So, for example, what you could do is you could team up with another creator to offer, for example, a bundle deal where fans who subscribe to both your accounts get access to exclusive collaborative content, right? So that would be a great way to use the force of like 2 creators and put them all together, put all their resources together and make a bunch of money that way, okay? Which brings us to step number 6 right here. And that's simply use OnlyFans features to your advantage. And I notice a lot of people do not do that. They're just on the platform uploading stuff, making a little bit of money here and there, but they're not really fully using OnlyFans features to their advantage, okay? OnlyFans offers tons of tools like, for example, pay-per-view messages, live streaming, okay, and tipping that can significantly boost your earnings. So for example, right, use live streams to interact with your subscribers in real time, which is way more engaging than just uploading a video. It's not even that personal and stuff like that, right? You kind of get the idea. Also, don't just live stream, but while you're live streaming, offer exclusive content during the sessions. What you also want to do is you want to send pay-per-view messages with premium content for an additional charge. You can also run limited time promotions to encourage new signups. You guys have to experiment with these features to see what resonates most with your audience. And I say your audience because every single audience on OnlyFans is different, because we're all in like different niches. At the end of the day, we're different creators and stuff like that. So you never really know 100% what works best with your particular audience. So you do have to test all of these and kind of like split test and kind of see what works best for you, okay? So that's pretty much it. But as promised, guys, I do have one bonus tip, and that is simply to stay consistent and adapt to new trends, okay? So the key to long-term success on OnlyFans really comes down to consistency. You gotta post regularly, engage with your audience, and stay up to date with platform trends. It is what it is, okay? So for example, if there's a new feature or challenge going viral on Instagram or TikTok, find a way to incorporate it in your strategy. That one is very, very important, And I think it's a very good bonus tip that I gave you guys right here, okay? So, all right, guys, let's wrap it up. So there you have it. Some of the best ways to make money on OnlyFans in 2024. From building a social media funnel to using automation tools like wolfgrowth.com, offering personalized content, and engaging with your fans. These strategies are designed to help you stand out and succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment with your favorite tip, and subscribe for more OnlyFans growth strategies. Let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, success on OnlyFans is all about giving your audience a reason to keep coming back. Stay consistent, stay creative, and good luck. I'll see you in the next video.